What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we get the review of the 2022 Porsche Taycan GTS with the Sport Turismo wagon. Now, Porsche is gradually expanding the Taycan lineup to include more than a few trim levels and 3 body styles, much like the 911 that is offered in a wide variety of derivatives. Now, new for 2022 is the GTS, sliding between the 4S and Turbo to mirror the rear-engine sports car. Now, as standard, the electric sedan features the new front fascia of the Sport design package, from which it has also inherited the side skirts and the side window trim in glossy black. Now, the side skirts are adorned with the GTS logos, while the diffuser mounted at the back boasts a glossy black inlay. And to spruce up the latest Taycan member, Porsche installs 20-inch Turbo S Aero design wheels with satin black finish you won't be able to find on any other version. Now, the company's logo embedded in the LED light strip at the rear is finished in black, much like the matte black badge on the trunk lid, the matrix headlights, and the base of the side mirror caps. Now, let's talk about power, because while the 4S below it packs 462 horsepower and the Turbo above it comes at 670 horsepower, the GTS hits the sweet spot in the middle with 590 horsepower with launch control for a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Now, the dual motor all-wheel drive sedan gets 93.4 kilowatt battery as standard to echo the Turbo and Turbo S, with charging up to 270 kilowatts to go from a state of charge from 5% to 80% in 22.5 minutes. Now, Porsche engineers brought the adaptive air suspension from the Taycan Turbo and adapted it in regards to tuning and calibration for the new GTS. You get 6-piston front red brake calipers of the 4S combined with 390mm front rotors, or 30mm larger than those of the 4S. At the back, the size of the rotors has to remain unchanged at 358mm. For superior stopping power, the optional carbon ceramic brake setup will be offered as well. Now, the Taycan family is also adding a Sport Turismo version without the jacked up suspension and wheel arch cladding of the Cross Turismo. Now, it has the same ride height as the GTS sedan to enable a lower center of gravity for sportier on-road performance. Now, another way you can distinguish it from the SUV-inspired version is by checking out the rear spoiler, now painted in the same color as the rest of the body. Now, much like the Cross Turismo, you can get its road-focused sibling with a glass roof, but also a new panoramic roof featuring variable light control. And the latter encompasses 9 liquid crystal film segments of the roof and comes with 4 selectable modes, with matte being the default setting when you turn off the car. It can be had for the sedan as well, giving owners in both cases the possibility to pick from clear, matte, semi, which is 40%, and bold, which is 60% on patterns. Now, Porsche's third body style for the Taycan can be optionally fitted with roof rails and the mounted bike rack, and both the GTS versions are available on order with customer deliveries to start in the second quarter of 2022. Now, EPA numbers will be released closer to market launch, and in regards to pricing, the 2022 Porsche Taycan GTS retails at $131,400, which makes sense considering that the 4S costs from $103,800 and the Turbo begins at $150,900. Now, should you want the Sport Turismo and GTS spec, it's going to set you back $133,300 plus $1,350 in both cases for delivery fees. So with that said, what are you guys thinking about the Taycan GTS and the Sport Turismo wagon? And which one would you take? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the debut of the Taycan GTS and the Sport Turismo wagon. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you want joggers, tote bags, fanny packs, leggings, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. It's everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.